And welcome to our higher projects. So our project today we are going to give you a tutorial video that will explain the basic concept and the step of the higher Psulu game. The mission of the game is to navigate the robot from its start position to its end position. The idea behind the game is that we need to plan the path multiple times along the journey considering various resources and constraints. So let's start the game. First, we need to enter the participant ID. So we can click here. For example, my ID that's my Duke ID, and then I enter my ID. And then there's two options here. You can choose from a random map. You can also choose from a map library. For a random map, you can select the obstacle you want, and then you can change them. You will see that changing is loaded here. And from the map library, you can check the map library web page, and you can select one you want to do the experiments on it. For example, if we choose the 704, okay, we remember the name of it, and then we go back our game page. The obstacle will be the 7, and it's 704, and then we applied it and we play the game. So for this game, there's like a risk budget, service budget, and what is that meaning? So the risk budgets mean that on every per leg. So what's the leg mean? So from the submarine to the destination, it combines several legs to go to the destination. So every time you are going to plan a leg first. So in the leg deck, you can see what is the risk budget. The risk budget is an aggregate risk for the whole chip based on the sum of the leg. If you choose the risk higher, it will tend to crash into the object, but it will try to move to the destination in a more faster way. And if you choose, and what is the servicing budget? So every time we try to visualize the plan and execute it, it will cost one servicing budget. And you can see, and what is the meaning of the green circle? It means that when you try to move longer the path, the more uncertainty will be present. So that's the meaning of the green circle. And what is the meaning of the number of steps per leg? It means that if you want to try to move the destination more efficiently, you probably want to have a larger per leg. You can see. So for risk tolerance per leg, the range will be from 0.00012, sorry about that, to 0.02. And for the range of the number of steps per leg, it will range from 3 to 12. So in this case, we think it's pretty safe. We probably have less risk tolerance, and then we are going to have more steps, and we plan the path. It looks good to me, and then I execute it. And I'm going to visualize the path again. And then it looks good. We execute it. And we are going, right? So we are trying to move to the destination. Yeah. And there we go. We have the result. Oh, we are almost there. Okay. So here we go. So we success. And after we click OK, if you want to have a copy of the data, you can click OK. And this will be the file name of the CSV file. So if we want to have our own file, we can say it's my report. And then we click OK. Yes, and the CSV file will be downloaded. And in the CSV file, we will see there's like the participant ID, time, result, and how the total sum of the real path length, the total sum of the expected path length. We have the different data, and we also have the obstacle coordinates, and we also have the different leg, the first leg, how much budget we chose, and how much risk we chose, and the second leg, and so on. So if you want to find out more details, you can check our game tutorial. You have a whole PowerPoint that you can check through it, and then you will learn what's the meaning of it and how to play the game. And if you got the contact tab, and you can try to contact the corresponding personnel, Dr. Li Xiaohuang and Xiang Chen. And thanks for watching.